Madison, I love you so much. You are so special and so gorgeous and so just considerate and thoughtful and loving. And I love you so much. I'm proud of you. We'll see you later.
Congratulations, we love you, and we're here to support you. Amen.
Are you just burning?
I love you. Boomer Sooner.
Good luck in college.
For Madison. Congratulations, Madison. You did a good job. Proud of you.
Hi, Madalena. Is it on? Hi, Madalena. Happy graduation. Seems like just yesterday I was giving birth to you. I'm so sad. What am I going to do without you at home? It's a happy but sad moment. I love you. Mwah.
Students, teachers, parents, and grandparents, good evening.
Eric Daniel Anderson. Madison Elaine Anderson. Moorfield.
We're going to come back for a picture. Hey, Madison. It's your cousin Paige.
Hannah Claire.
Say hi to Madison.
Hi.
It's
I was
a
playing
video
with
message.
the sound thing.
We love you. We're so proud of you.
Oh my gosh, and your shoes were so cute.
Yeah. I hope you heard us yelling in the audience. Everyone around us did.
Wow.
Jordan Joan Brett.
Madison. I already said something. Say
Hi, Madison. Congratulations, we love you.
hi.
Congratulations, Madison. Good luck at OU next year.
Is this man?
It's over.
Way to go, Madison! We love you!
You did it, Maddie.
Love you, Madison. Woo-hoo!
You did it, Madison.
Donnie?
Look at Donnie.
We're the only ones that left that
Baby
stayed.
girl, you did it. Proud.
Madison, my message to you is I am so proud of you. You have your nanny's personality. I know that. I know what you're like. And I know that you'll do everything in your power to be successful in the future. We're so proud of you and what the future holds for you. Way to go, Madison!